Good morning, friends. Today we shall be discussing something about our obligations of filing of income tax returns for the assessment year 2020-21. Date of Due date of filing of income tax return for all the assessees who does not have business income is 31st of July 2020. The only change made in this fiscal year is the due date for filing of the income tax return for corporate assessees has been extended to 31st of October, and also for those who have to file their income tax return after getting their accounts audited as per provisions of Income Tax Act. I mean to say, who are subject to tax audit. Due date for them is 31st October, and for corporates also due date of filing of income tax return is 31st October. But please note, filing of audit report has been delinked from the income tax return. Due date for filing of tax audit report is 30th September, not 31st October. Previously, it used to be filed along with the income tax return, but this time it is very clear that tax audit report is to be filed separately and 1 month in advance of due date of filing of the income tax return. And certain things have been added in the income tax return forms. I may bring to your kind knowledge the major changes which are affecting most of us, which are added in income tax return form for the assessment year 2020-21. Those are: in case an assessee has incurred more than rupees 1 lakh expenditure on electricity bills, that needs to be declared in the income tax return form. In case an assessee has spent more than rupees 2 lakh in a year on foreign travel of himself or someone else, that also needs to be declared in the income tax return. In case you have the passport, number of the passport is also mandatorily to be declared, to be shown in the income tax return. In case an assessee has deposited more than rupees 1 crore in current account, that also needs to be declared in the income tax return. So we should be careful while getting our returns filed. We must submit the details required by the income tax department to avoid any sort of further investigation or to leading the return to be treated as invalid. In case you have any query about filing of the income tax return, you are most welcome to contact me at any time on my cell between 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. any day. My cell is 98964 50904.